Imagine holding a stock that's up 25%. Do you take the profit, hold for more, or wait and risk giving it all back? For many investors, the hardest decision isn't buying a stock. It's knowing when to exit. That's where sell rules come in. They help remove emotion and replace it with a clear plan. Let's start with the most important rule. Cut losses at 8 to 10%. Why? Because every investor is wrong sometimes. The key is to keep small mistakes from becoming big ones. Next, take profits around 20 to 25%. Many leading stocks tend to pause, consolidate, or pull back after making strong short-term gains. Locking in profits helps protect your returns and keeps emotions in check. But what if a stock keeps acting exceptionally well? That's where the 8-week hold rule comes in. If a stock breaks out and quickly gains significant strength, you may consider holding it longer. Some of the biggest winners can continue much further than expected. MarketSmith India makes this easier by clearly identifying buy ranges, sell rules, and profit booking zones. The best investors don't just know how to buy. They know how to sell.